In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can remove account restriction on Facebook in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. So for the first step, open Facebook and then you need to click on that menu button that's showing right bottom side. And here you will see your menu. Scroll it down until you see this settings and privacy. Open it and open settings from here. Then you need to open this account center in order to fix or remove account restrictions on Facebook. Click on that see more in account center and scroll it down. In this account settings, you need to open your personal details and here you will get option of identity confirmation. Open it and click on that confirm your identity. Then it will show you these two options. Click on that protect your account and after writing your password, you will be able to confirm your identity. After confirming your identity, click back and scroll it down. Open this help and support and then click on that report a problem. Close these two options and click on continue to report. Click don't include and then you have to choose feature where you can select other that you will find at last. And then you need to type here, hey Facebook team, I'm facing issue with account restriction. Kindly help me to fix this issue and simply send it. Then you will get reply that you can easily access by just clicking on support inbox that's showing in help and support. These were the some of ways to remove account restrictions on Facebook.